Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. It's early. I'm seeding the rest of this today. I'm gonna get that Scott's Rapid Growth, put the seeds down, get it done, pull some weeds in this section too. Man, that mulch bed looks great. We did a HELL of a job. Got the big screen back. It's back. Happy about that. This looks good. Let's get to work. No matter what you do, weeds will always surface. I bought that weed be gone, but I couldn't spray it because I knew I would be putting seeds down eventually. As I pulled them out of the ground, I would put them in a bag. Then I thought, why don't I just pull them out of the ground, put them on the ground, and then come back and rake. And that's what I did, as you can see. It was faster that way, worked out better if you ask me. Now I got the lawn bag out from menards, of course. Pull weeds from over there too, like I said I would. Looks better. Don't get me wrong, I like what I see, but I see spots, so I'll add seeds to fill this in. From now on, this is what I'm buying. It costs more, but it's worth every penny. Hey, got the sun out, shining on me. That's a good sign. Let's finish putting the seeds down. You guys know my style. I put a layer down, then I come with my truffle rake, and I rake it all in. Okay, that's done. Looks good. I'm gonna come with the second layer, do the same. You know what? Had I just did it all at once, I'd be done already. Okay, here's my sea of blue. No political commentary. No political commentary. Raked my second layer in, got my peat moss and starter fertilizer from menards. Since I have so much to cover, well, not as much as last time, but since I have so much to cover, I'll just do it in sections. Ran out of peat moss. Luckily, I had one more bag of the alternative one, so I am done. Second to last on the list is starter fertilizer. Save the best for last. I'll water 2, maybe 3 times a day, depending on the weather. We'll come back here and there to check on the results. You know the motto. Take care of your families, take care of your bodies, take care of your lawns too. Bye.